make a small loop with the belt, take it around the elbows, over the upper part of the arm, take the hand behind the head, push the arms apart, fingertips open away from each other, thumb pointing outwards, don't make it too wide, just shoulder distance, try to keep your chin parallel to the ground, keep lifting the shoulders up, lifting the spine up, knees pushing down, slowly turn the palms to face forward, fingertips facing the ceiling, keep pulling the sides of the body up, keep breathing as you hold it there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release. Now make it a little wider. About this much. Little wider than your shoulder. Hold it behind you. Again turning the palm outwards and backwards. Don't lift the shoulders up. Drop the shoulders down. Keep your chin up parallel to the ground. And push the arms behind your head. You can now open the fingers up, pointing towards the ceiling. Keep looking in front. Keep breathing. Feel your shoulders. Tighten the elbows. Keep pushing the arms away from each other and hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Same distance. Just take the right hand vertically behind your head and left hand down towards the ground. Keep pulling the left hand and the right hand away from the body. Keep the chin parallel to the ground. Keep looking in front. Straighten both the arms. Keep breathing. Feel the right side of the body pulling upwards and hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Inhale, come back to center, and on the exhale turn it around to the other side. Straighten the left arm behind your head, push the right arm towards the ground, right fingers, fingertips, straighten your back, chin parallel to the ground. Keep pushing the arms away from the body. Watch your breath. Lengthen the left side of the body and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly inhale, arms up, and exhale down. Let's make it a little wider, almost till the end of the loop, so it will be more comfortable for everyone. Hold the belt. You're going to roll it all the way back, keeping the arms and elbows locked, and bring it back to front. Inhale, open up. You can open the fingers pointing down towards the ground. Exhale, bring it back in front. 10 times. 1, back and front. 2, back, all the way down. Open up the shoulders nicely and down. 3, back and down. 4, back and down. 5, 6, 7. Inhale, expand the chest, push the arms outwards. 8, 9, one more, and 10. Slowly bring it back. relax the arms. Let's stand up. Now make the belt small again. Once more. This time take it just around the upper part of the elbow, maybe near your wrist. Take it behind your head. Behind your head again. Palms facing the front, fingertips moving up to the ceiling. Get your feet together, toes together. Tighten the sides of the body, tighten the arms, just shoulder distance apart. Take it behind your head. Keep pulling the fingertips up to the ceiling. You can slowly gaze up, but don't throw your head back. Just gaze upwards and pull the arms up as high as you can. Hold it there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release. Now make it still smaller, maybe just this much. Take it behind your back. Put your wrist in, both the wrists in. Open up the shoulders behind you, fingertips facing the ground. Pull the shoulders back and down. You can keep your feet slightly apart. Lengthen the spine. Keep pulling the arms down behind you. Inhale and slowly bend backwards, chest open to the ceiling. Very gently drop your head back. Keep pulling the arms down. Tighten the legs. Hips moving forward and stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly come back to center. Don't remove the belt. Keep the belt in the same position. In the wrists inside. Keep it right there. From there. Inhale. Feet are in the same distance. On the exhale, bend your knees. Go down for bending forward. Slowly drop your head down. When you're comfortable, straighten the legs. Take the arms up behind your head. Fingertips now pointing to the ceiling. Keep pulling the arms over your head. Observe your abdomen. Pull the stomach in as you exhale. Keep pulling the arms behind your head and hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly release. Same position. Hands stay right there, palms facing each other. Belt is on the wrist. Take the hands up over your head, behind your head, feet slightly apart, hip distance. Inhale, pull the arms up behind the head. On the exhale, bend over to your right side, pushing the head back, pushing the arms behind the head. Press the outer edge of the left foot. Press the whole right foot on the ground. Push the head back. Gaze at the ceiling and hold. Straighten the elbows and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Come back to center. Let the hands stay right there. Wrists are inside the belt. Once more, inhale, lengthen the arms. On the exhale, keeping the hands behind the head, bend towards your left side. Straighten the elbows, pushing the fingertips away from you. Tighten the left foot on the ground. Press the outer edge of the right foot and the right heel. Bend as much to the left. Hold it, keep breathing, head back, gaze at the ceiling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Inhale, come back to center and slowly take off the belt. Now from there, let the loop remain there. Use the whole belt. Extend the arms as much as possible in front of you. You're going to turn the palms facing upwards, gripping the belt with the palms facing upwards. Roll the shoulders back and down. Keep the feet slightly close to each other. Open the arms as wide as you can so the belt comes up to your chest. Belt is almost touching the chest. Now keep pushing the arms away on either side, away from each other in opposite directions. Tighten the arms, look in front, gaze in front of you, chin parallel to the ground. Tighten the arms, tighten the shoulders, tighten your back and legs. Keep breathing and hold it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly release the belt, hands down, Mukhadoti. We'll do Surya Namaskara. Keep the belt next to you. Stand in front of the mat, feet together, hands together, Namaskara Mudra. Shoulders back and down, relaxed, elbows parallel to the ground. Inhale and slow exhale. Hiranmayena patrena satyasya pihitam mukham tattvam pushanna varanu satya dharmaya drishtaye Om Mitraya Namaha. Inhale, back bend, nice and easy, don't stress the body, go with the breath. Exhale, forward bend all the way down, head down completely. Inhale, right leg all the way back, look up, chest open. Exhale, Dvipadasana, palms down, legs tight, body in a straight line. Ashtanga Namaskara, head and chest and toes down, hold your breath. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha, chest open, shoulders back, legs tight. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana, push all the way back, tighten the legs. Inhale, right leg all the way between the hands, look up. Exhale, Uttanasana, feet together, press the palms down, head down, but don't stress, go with the breath. Inhale, back to center. Om Ravaye Namaha. Breathe in, breathe out. Left leg all the way back, stretch it back as much as possible. Look up at the ceiling, push the right hip forward. Exhale, Dvipada, press the palms, tighten the body, pull the stomach in, look in front. Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Push the hips, straighten the legs, heels down. Inhale, left leg between the hands, look up, chest open. Exhale, Uttanasana, feet together, hands down. Inhale, Namaskara Sthiti. Om Suryaya Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Om Bhanavi Namaha. One, back bend. Expand the chest. Keep pulling from the chest and the neck. Exhale again, lengthen the spine towards the ground. Inhale, left leg back. Dvipada. Press the palms and take the right leg back. Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Now stay in Adho Mukha, press the heels down. Bend your knees slightly, push the hips back and up. Pull your head towards the ground, spread the fingers, press the palms. Now slowly keeping the hips there, straighten the legs, tighten the whole body, feel the calf muscles, pushing backwards, keep breathing, stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Inhale, left foot all the way in front. Look up. Exhale, Uttanasana, feet together. Inhale, Namaskar Sthiti. Take one breath there. Inhale and exhale. Slowly relax. Om Khagaya Namaha. 1. Tighten the legs, push the hips forward, straighten the arms, press the palm together, look up at the ceiling. Exhale fully, reach down. 2. Head down. 3. Inhale, right leg all the way back. Hold the right leg back. Now inhale, come up. Roll your shoulders back, interlock the hands behind your back, push the left hip forward, push the fingers towards the ground, open the chest up to the ceiling and hold it there. Keep breathing as you hold it there. Feel that right hip also pushing forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Release the hands, palms on the ground. Go to Dvipada. Tighten the legs, look in front. Take 2 breaths over there. Ashtanga Namaskara. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Right foot in the center. Ekapada. Uttanasana. Namaskar Sthiti. Om Pushne Namaha. Inhale, lengthen the body. Tighten the legs. Stretch the sides of the body. Pull the arms up. Pull the fingertips to the ceiling. Exhale, forward bend. Lengthen again the spine downwards. Left leg back this time, all the way back. Push the hip forward. Inhale, open up the chest, take the hands behind you. Interlock your fingers, push it down towards the ground. Keep pushing the hips forward. Open up the chest to the ceiling, look up. Drop your head back. Tighten the arms. Press the back leg firmly on the ground. Keep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Release your hands. Hands in front, palms on the ground, right leg back. Go to Dvipada. And then Ashtanga Namaskara. Hold your breath. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Take a moment here. 2 deep inhale and exhale. One more time, breathe in, breathe out. Inhale, left leg in the front. Look up. Exhale, Uttanasana. Namaskar Sthiti. One deep inhale, slow exhale. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Inhale, exhale. Right leg back, inhale. Exhale to Dvipada. Ashtanga Namaskara. Now come down fully on the mat, turn your toes out, feet together, hands under the shoulders. Inhale, keeping the knees on the mat, turn your toes out, tighten the legs, lift the chest up, press the hips down. Urdhva Mukha. All the way up, keep pushing the hips forward, chest up and forward. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Bend the elbows, slowly come down. We are not finished. Take the hands little lower, close to your chest, tuck your toes in. Straighten the knees, tighten the kneecaps, lift the knees off the ground, elbows close to you. Again, Urdhva Mukha. Inhale, up. Push the hip forward, but you're off the ground. Chest up and open. Press firmly on the ground. Push the ground away from you. Tighten your buttocks. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. On deep inhale, on the exhale, Adho Mukha. Drop. Press your heels on the mat, push your hips back, straighten the legs, relax there for 2 breaths, inhale and exhale. One more time, inhale, exhale. Now inhale, right foot all the way in front. Look up. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, Namaskar Sthiti. Om Marichaye Namaha. Inhale, back bend. Exhale, all the way in front, forward bend. Inhale, left leg back. Exhale to Dvipada. Ashtanga Namaskara. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Left leg all the way in front. Uttanasana. Namaskar Sthiti. Om Adityaya Namaha. Back bend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Back to Namaskar Sthiti. Take a deep inhale, again slow exhale. Last 4 rounds, we'll do a few more asanas with these rounds. Om Savitre Namaha. 1, 2, left leg back all the way. Now from here, straighten both the legs, right hand on the right ankle, come to Trikonasana. Left foot slightly turned out. Shoulders back, chest back, keep your head back. When you're steady, take your left hand up. Look up at the left hand and hold it there. Keep pushing the left hip back. Turn the right hip forward, tighten both the legs completely. Keep breathing and stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly come back to Ekapada Prasanasana. Dvipada, Ashtanga Namaskara, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha, heels down firmly, left leg in front, Ekapada, Uttanasana, Namaskara Sthiti. Om Arkhaya Namaha. Inhale, exhale, right leg all the way back. Now keep your left hand on your left ankle. Slowly straighten both the legs. Right foot flat on the mat. Right hand on the hip. Turn your body to the right side. Push the right hip back. Chest open. Head back. When you are stable, inhale, right hand up. Fingertips facing the ceiling. Open up the chest nicely. Push the right hip back. Turn the left hip forward. Keep looking up at your thumb if you can. Otherwise, look straight, head back. 1, 2, 3. Press the feet firmly, especially the back foot. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Ekapada Prasanasana. Dvipada. Ashtanga Namaskara. Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha, right foot steps all the way in front. Uttanasana, Namaskara Sthiti. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. 1, 2, left leg back. 3, 4, Ashtanga. 5, 6, 7, left foot in the center. 8, 9 and 10. Deep inhale, slow exhale. Last round. Om Shri Savitra Surya Narayanaya Namaha. Inhale, exhale, inhale, right leg all the way back, look up, exhale, Ashtanga Namaskara, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha, right leg all the way in front, Uttanasana, Namaskara Sthiti. Stay there, just 3 rounds. Tadasana, Utkatasana, hips down, chest up, look in front. Exhale, Uttanasana, walk, step or jump. Chaturanga, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. Come back to Uttanasana, Tadasana, Utkatasana, Uttanasana, Chaturanga Dandasana, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha, Uttanasana, Tadasana, Utkatasana. Keep breathing, don't hold your breath anywhere. Uttanasana, head down fully. Chaturanga Dandasana, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha, Uttanasana, Tadasana, Namaskara Sthiti. Slowly release the hands. Go to Shashankasana and just stay in Shashankasana for a few seconds. Hips back, stretch your hands, forehead down. Relax and stay there. Keep stretching the hands in front, forehead down, push the hips back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep stretching the hands in front. Inhale and come to Urdhva Mukha. Keep your feet close to each other. Lift the chest up. Keep breathing. Push the chest open. Head back. Legs tight. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly bend your elbows and lie down on your stomach. Now from here, keep the leg straight behind you. Bend the right leg. Left hand in front of you. Stretch the right hand and hold your right foot or the right ankle. Pull the heel towards you. Lift the knee off the ground. And inhale, head up, left leg up, left hand up. Just don't look up at the ceiling. Just look in front. Keep your neck relaxed. Keep pulling the right knee up, right heel towards your buttock. Tighten the left leg, tighten the left hand and stay there. 1, 2, keep your knees close to each other. Don't push the right knee out. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly down. Release the right leg. Come back with your head on the mat. This time bend the left leg. Stretch the left hand. Hold your left ankle or your left foot with the left hand. Right hand in front of you. Keep the knees together. Inhale up, chest up, right leg up, right hand up, left knee up. Just look in front but don't strain your neck. Keep lifting the knee up and pulling the heel towards your left buttock. Hold it. Tighten the arm and the right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly come down. Makarasana. Few seconds. Relax. Keep your head on your hands. Take 2-3 breaths. Relax. Bring your legs back closer to each other again. This time left forearm parallel to the front of the mat. Left hand under the shoulder. Bend your right leg. Take the right hand behind you. Hold again the right ankle, but this time keep pushing the heel away from you. Inhale up, chest up. You're supporting on the left hand. Left leg down. Tighten the left leg. Push the right leg away from you. Straighten the right arm. Keep looking in front, chest open and stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly release. Head down. Just take 2-3 breaths and ready with the left side. Right elbow under the right shoulder. Hold your left ankle with your left hand. Inhale, come up, chest up, push the left heel away from you, keep lifting the chest up, support with the right forearm, look in front, keep expanding the chest and lifting it up. Breathe as you expand the chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly release. Once more, Makarasana. Relax. Legs apart, head down. Normal breathing. Slow down your breathing. Come back. Knees slightly apart. Bend both the knees. Dhanurasana. Now hold your ankle on both the sides or the top of your foot, whichever is more comfortable. Both sides. Keep the knees hip distance apart. Keep your head down first. Now roll the shoulders back, straighten both the arms. Push the heels away from you. Tighten the arms. In one breath, inhale, come up. Lift the legs up, knees off the mat. Keep pushing the heels away from you. Chest up, stay on your stomach, look in front. Keep breathing as you stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now slowly turn, if you can, onto your right side, holding the leg head back. Stay on your right shoulder, right side, push the knees away against, heels away still. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come back center. And exhale, roll to the other side. Keep your head back and off the ground. Push the heels away from you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come back center and release. Makarasana. Legs slightly apart, head down. Just catch your breath, take 2-3 breaths there. Inhale and exhale as you stay there. Keep breathing. Slowly turn around. Lie down on your back. Okay? If you can hold your ankle, go ahead and hold the ankle. Otherwise, take the belt around your feet. Feet and knees hip distance apart. Hold the belt on either side of the feet. Shoulders under you. Stretch the arms out. Hold it close to the ankle. Inhale, Setu Bandha Sarvangasana. All the way push the hips up. Move the chest towards the chin. Keep breathing. Keep tightening the buttocks. Lifting the hips up. Lifting the chest up. And stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now don't come down. Release the belt. Take the elbows close to your body. Take the thumb under your lower back. Fingers around your waist or hip. Keep pressing the feet down. Push the hips up higher. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you come down, come back up again. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly release. Once again, take the belt, around your feet like this. Take both legs to 90 degrees. Hold the hands straight near the feet. Keep your chin down. Legs at 90 degrees. Stretch the arms out. Straighten the arms. Back is flat on the mat. Chin down. Tighten the kneecaps. Straighten the legs. Just hold it there with your hands. Shoulders relaxed. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly bend your knees and release. Just relax for a moment. We'll do Ushtrasana. You can take your blanket for your knees. Come up from the right side. Use your blanket under the knee. You can tuck your toes in from here. Both thumbs on the lower back. Shoulders roll back, elbows moving backwards towards each other. Keep your chin down first. Inhale, expand the chest. Keep pushing the hip forward. Hold it there. Push the hip forward. Don't drop your head still. Lift the chest up to the ceiling. Back is nicely warmed up. From there, one by one, drop your hand on the heel. Push the hip forward. Right hand on the right heel. Slowly, left hand on the left heel. Push the hip forward. Keep pushing the hip forward. And then drop your head back. Shoulders back. Chest up to the ceiling. Hip forward. Stay for as many breaths as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Slowly come up. Tuck your chin in. Take your knees little wide. Toes together. Sit back all the way. Hands in front. Shashankasana. Forehead down. Close your eyes. Normal breathing. Relax there for 4 to 5 breaths. And slowly come up. Again, lie down on your mat. Keep the belt with you. Make the loop little bigger. Take it around your feet. Just above the knees, mid-thigh. Just above, 2 inches above the knee. Keep the buckle in the center. Tighten the belt, keeping the thighs together. Roll the belt around. Lie down on your back. Hug the knees in. Hands on either side. Feet together. Thighs are belted together. Inhale, and on the exhale, drop both the knees to the right side. See that your left shoulder is on the mat, not lifting up. You can hold your left knee with the right hand, turn your head completely to the left and hold it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now both the legs are belted together, so you have to bring it up together. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, drop it to the left side. Make sure your right shoulder stays on the mat. Pull the knees closer to the chest. Turn your head completely to the right. Press the knees down with your left hand. Keep your right heel on the left heel. Keep breathing, eyes closed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, come back center. Let the belt be around the legs, but just take it around your calf muscle and tighten it little bit more. Just 2 inches below the knee this time, and tighten the legs. Hold it there. Hands to the side, toes inward, straighten both the legs 90 degrees. Again, inhale, legs are straight, drop both the toes on the right fingers without lifting your left shoulder. Straighten the legs, turn your head completely to the left, hold it there. Keep pushing the heels away from you. 1, 2, 3. If you want, you can hold the belt and pull the legs up a little bit. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Push both the legs up together. Inhale. On the exhale, drop it to the left side. Right shoulder stays on the ground. Straighten both the legs. Turn your head completely to the right. Push the heel away from the body. Tighten the kneecaps. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, come back center. Let the legs stay there 90 degrees. Turn your toes in completely. Bring the hands closer to the hips, beside the body. Palms facing down. Chin is down. Straighten the legs. Keep breathing. Lips gently closed. Eyes closed. Keep tightening your legs. See that your legs are at 90 degrees. And hold it there for 20 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Slowly bend your knees. Relax. Take 2-3 breaths. From here, Pawan Muktasana. Wrap your hands around the knees. Let the belt remain there. Hands around the knees. Pull the knees in close to you. Toes in. Pull your stomach in. Create more space. Inhale. Lift your forehead up towards the knees. Keep breathing. Slowly head down. And you can loosen the belt and release your legs. Stretch the legs out. Hands by your side. Chin down. Close your eyes. Hands in chin mudra. Stay there for a few seconds. Relax the legs. Relax your hips. Relax your lower back. Relax the arms. Keep the eyes closed. One deep inhale. Slow exhale. Okay, we'll do A, U, Ma, Kara, 3 rounds each, and then 3 rounds of Om. Lying down here, eyes closed, hands in chin mudra. Take a deep inhale. We start with the A matra, Inhale. Once more, breathe in. Inhale. Slowly stop. Feel the vibrations in your lower abdomen. Ukara, feel the vibration in the chest as you inhale and exhale. Breathe in. Inhale. Last round. Makara. Feel the vibrations in the throat and the head. Breathe in. Inhale. Last round. Inhale. Keep your left hand on the chest, right hand on the lower abdomen. Omkara, 3 rounds. Make the Makara longer than the O. Deep inhale. Inhale. stop. Keep the hands there for a few seconds. Observe your breath, observe the vibration, observe the state of your mind. Keep the eyes closed. Slowly take the legs little wider. Take the hands out by your side, palms facing up. Normal breathing. In your mind, from number 10, count backwards with each breath up to 0.